Hello everyone, once again it's Explanation Information, your best place for online technology and more. Today we're going to be making, I'd say about part 5 or part 6 to the Google Playpoints series. And once again, like I said to every video, you go ahead and check out the playlist or the link in the description if you want to learn more about it than I tell in this video. And also guys, make sure you check out my second channel, gaming channel with my brother called Ethan and Man. I'll link that in the description. So if you're in Google Playpoints, if you want to know where it's at, basically click the hamburger icon on the top left corner. Then you go over to Google Playpoints, and if y'all want me to make a Google Play Pass video, you can also tell me, and I'm sure to make one. And you click on that, and as you see, this is the Google Playpoints UI. Now before I get into the update, I'm just going to go into a quick overview about it if you forgot or if you're new. So basically, this is a screen where you can earn things, you can complete offers, or you could download apps, you could buy books, movies, apps, and all that, and in-app purchases to earn points. And you could use those for different games like Madden Mobile, redeem codes, and a whole bunch of stuff like donations. And then you have perks, which is basically bonuses that you get for leveling up. You have the leveling up benefits, bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, where you could basically spend points or spend money for your better benefit in Google Play Points. And basically you earn more play points for the dollar you spend, and you could upgrade to up to platinum, where you get different and more rewards in Google Play Points in the Google Play Store, like multipliers. You will see that all in your perks category, and you also have a help page that you could go ahead and click on. I'm going to link that in the description too. You can go to points history, where you can see everything you spent points on. Like for this one, I got 1 play point for purchasing the $1 game, I believe. Okay, now the new update they added is they basically have this special earn rates or offers. They added more offers. There used to be like 4, but now there's like 10 times that. If you scroll down, you will see a whole bunch more offers and downloads. And if you see, they do have expiration dates, so they will end on May 10th, and like in 2 days, and after that it will refresh in about a week, and they will add new ones. So make sure you go ahead and complete these offers and downloads before they expire. The downloads end on May 17th. Go ahead and click on one of them. As you see, you get items in this Play Points. This doesn't work with any app or a game you click on the Google Play Store. It's only the ones that show on this menu right here. If you need help, if you want more information, you go ahead and click the icon. It will take you to the support page, which you can also navigate to in the help page, where it basically tells you about Google Play Points, how to earn it, and all that, so you can go ahead and check that out yourself. That's basically the update of the video, the special earn rates. They added more offers that you could check out. And like I said, you can go ahead and check my playlist out if you want more information. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, like, share the video, and go ahead and check out my second channel, Ethan and Man, where I do gaming videos and reactions. And see you soon.